Hey yo! Someone told me that I must do a reaction video for Bani. Ujimmy Xilawe. Kabani ka Blue Pappi featuring Lewis. Youngstunna. Igama lengoma Imali Entsha lawe. So let's just start, bro. Let's not waste any time.
I was straight like back then, but every dog has a stay. Imali nje makukwinam, tika ofe mapushenam, sebenzela abashana bam, inoqhawe lobomi bam. Oh, jealous, yeah. Big D like MJ. Wasn't straight like back then, but every dog has its day. Azlimez ejeni bafana bam, impangi ngqini ngepakanam. Gcwalisa imali sakana lam, ezobuthonga ngingeni ngasebenza.
Is getting a 7. Bro, Blue Pappi got flows for days, man. No ways, bro.
Wasn't straight like back then, but every dog has its day. Azlimez ejeni bafana bam, impangi ngqini ngepakanam. Gcwalisa imali sakana lam, ezobuthonga ngingeni ngasebenza. Ask a hater what he gon' gain. It's like I'm fat, they slander my name. Young is barely wanna get famous. Devils watching, boy, don't get this. Fuck deposits, call me when you say. Fuck a truce, let's go to war, I'm ready. Play Bacardi, all I see is red. Can't take back a bunch of shit you said. Can't take back a bunch of shit I saw. Traumatized, I look back when I walk. I can't trust nobody like before. I'm just trying to get my family fit. Cause I'm in figuring it limbo. Playing figuring it limbo. Mas comba batim. Mas figa batis. Cause it chaosy. I know both Philip closey. But what that we saucy. Trip nyanyi lenge konti. Malenche maku.
No ways.
Chaosy, I know both Philip closey. But what that we saucy. Trip nyanyi lenge konti. Malenche maku kwinam. Take off my pushena. Sebenzela abashana bam. Inoqhawe lobomi bam. Oh, jealous, yeah. Big D like MJ. Wasn't straight like back then, but every dog has its day. Azlimez ejeni bafana bam, impangi ngqini ngepakanam. Gcwalisa imali sakana lam, ezobuthonga ngingeni ngasebenza. Ask a hater what he gon' gain. It's like I'm fat, they slander my name. Young is barely wanna get famous. Devils watching, boy, don't get this. Bo can't hamba nami ngobisita sami bis. Bo can't hamba nami ngobisita sami face. Malencha. Sel to me so Angbabona bahle bangamba Kwalizanda bangani bam. All the talking, they moving the appointment. I gotta prepare for the long nights. I'm securing my spot up in heaven. I don't wanna murder for number one. Got so much to lose. I wanna say tadu mumbies and booze. Get all the money, get lost in the booze. I get all the money and sponsor the troops.
No ways. Let's repeat this fast, dog. Damn, nigga.
Nights, yeah. I'm securing my spot up in heaven. I don't wanna murder for number one. Got so much to lose. Like when I say tadu mumbies and booze. Get all the money, get lost in the booze. I get all the money and sponsor the troops. True, watching my pockets is very malicious. And dirt on my name and disturbing my patience. I swear.
Watching my pockets is very malicious. Damn, nigga. If you know, you know, bro. If you know, you know. It's cause the chaos.
And dirt on my name and disturbing my patience, I swear. I'm back on my throne this year, and y'all keep starting my moves like feds. So it's 100K on my teeth, out the country for a tea, and y'all just can't believe.
This nigga's flexing, bro. 100K on my That's a gold, my nigga. You know what I'm talking about. No, talk about. I got grills, nigga. 200K, dog. On my teeth only, bro. I didn't talk about the swag, nigga.
140, and I just can't believe that it's 4 years no release. Man, I've been big bossing, they can never bet on me. Buddha with sauce and boom, allow me tongue for that.
It's lagging, guy. I think it's network. I'm sorry about that though.
Big boss, they can never bet on me. Buddha with sauce and boom, allow me tongue for that. Imali njema kukwina, tika off ya mapushana. Sebezela bashana bam, inokawe nobumi bam. STU double N BAD like MJ. Bars straight like Pappi, but every dog has his day. As limits echeni bafana bam, impanging ngeni nyephala nam. Kwalisi imali sagana lam, ezoptonga ngingeni ngasebenza. I can hate what they gon' pay. It's like I'm fat, they slender my name. Young as barely wanna get famous. God is watching, don't get jealous.
Oh. Wow. Damn, bro. I hope you guys naive Victor Billion back kill action is amuthi. Yeah, bro. The only thing is since I sebenzele imali, I can even kill you, bro. Ngokuba secondary 1 so 2 because ngiyayifuna le mali. Damn, nigga. Damn. Otherwise, shout out to Pappi, Youngstunna, though, for giving us this, bro. Like, I'm out. Please don't forget to follow. I mean to subscribe, like, also share, bro. Please.